Good morning. This is a beautiful day in Mallorca in Spain. This is where I'm at right now for the last long time and I'm going to be here for a little bit more. I'm super happy. I am gonna take you along for today. I just made myself my favorite breakfast, which is aioli and some tomatoes fresh and some herbs from the yard, and I just made myself some fresh orange juice. And now I'm gonna do a little bit of work, which I always like to do out here because it's just so nice and it's not as hot yet. My daughter just went to the beach with my au pair, which is super exciting because I get to do things and focus a little bit on work, and that's what I'm gonna do in the morning. Usually I like to shower in the morning, but this morning I'm not gonna shower because I'm actually wanting to meet them at the beach and go for a quick jump and see how that's gonna turn out, but I also need to get some stuff first done. But I'm excited to take you along. Cheers. It's so good. Like, fresh orange juice is like my favorite thing in the world, and just some baguette with tomatoes, pretty good. I just finished the majority of my emails. I'm super happy about that, and now I'm gonna start cooking some lunch because I like to do it when they get back or before they get back, because I know they're gonna be hungry when they come back from the beach, and also I think it's easier for me to cook when no one's here. And so I'm gonna do some yummy lunch right now. After that, I hopefully also get to head to the beach, take a quick dip, and I'm super excited about that. I haven't been in the water in a really long time. Now I get to go, which is super exciting. But yeah, first I'm gonna make some lunch, so when we come back, lunch will be ready. I'm not gonna deny it, there's definitely some mess in this kitchen, which I hate when starting to cook and you have to clean first. But this morning was kind of a rush, and yesterday we came back home late, and because we're looking at the boats and stuff, and it was fun, but we came back late. My late is probably like not late for anyone else, but my late was late. I felt like not cleaning up the kitchen, and so now I get to start in this mediocre mess, which is fine. But I usually hate that, starting to cook in a kitchen that you first have to clean, and then you cook, and then you have to clean again. But yeah, that's what we have right now, and I guess I just gotta work with what we got. But be honest, how often is your kitchen perfectly clean? I try my best. My au pair's favorite dish is tortellini. She never had it before. I introduced her to it, and now she's hooked. So she loves that, so that's what I'm gonna make for lunch. Just gonna be some simple tortellini and some fresh tomato sauce, something basic today, but she likes it, so that's good. And my daughter loves that too, so. And I like it too. Something that no one can prepare you when you become a mother is the amount of laundry you gotta do. I cannot believe, I feel like I'm a laundromat. I have so much laundry I gotta do. But yeah, and we don't have a dryer here, so we air dry everything. So this is extra work, but there's no better feeling than having fresh clothes and fresh sheets at the end of the night, so. Plus I realized too, when you don't use a dryer, your clothes actually don't get broken that quickly. I feel like every time I was using a dryer, my clothes would shrink, and just this way it kind of stays nice. But the important part is that you use, what do you call these? Wash clips? I'm not sure. That have this round thing, so you're not having like dents in your clothes. That's a tip that probably no one needed, but. I'm almost done with getting the house ready and back to normal. I am about to head to the beach. I'm so excited. I know I should be using different words because it's annoying to say always excited, but I am actually really excited. Mallorcas have been getting very busy right now because now everyone is vacation and the beaches are crowded and it's busy everywhere, but I'm still super excited to just jump in the water and just feel this coldness. I just hope there's no jellyfish today because there have been jellyfish in the past, and with my luck lately, I don't know if I want to chance it. But yeah, let's hope there's no jellyfish because those are scary. It is very clear, so you definitely can see them. The water is just so crystal clear, so it's easy to spot. However, I just don't want to chance it. Oh, also, I want to show you something really cool. You can see it, but we got pomegranates. They're coming in. They're getting so much bigger. Getting those pink ones. I get so excited when the yard is blooming and there's fresh vegetables and fruits and stuff. So nice to see, and you appreciate it so much more when you see how long it takes to grow. I know there's a little bit more mess, but it's okay. I really just want to jump in the water. I'm hot. I'm not a big shopper, but I think it's time, because the other day I was wondering, why am I getting poked in my bikini? That's why I usually don't like to buy stuff with stuff in it. That's just, can you see this? I'm getting like hurt pretty bad, but I try to fix it, but it's just not working. I wonder, I could just take it out. I hate stuff like that anyways. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna be weird now. One with, one without. Who does that stuff anyways? It's horrible. I hate. Oh. Okay, now it doesn't have this. Should work the same way. Do I have to break the other one now too? Let's try it out. I feel like it's the same, so I think it should work, but maybe I do need to buy a new bikini. What's really amazing about having no parrot is that I can actually go in the water, because if I'm just here with Layla, I can't do that, because obviously I can't leave her on the beach and just go for a swim. And now I'm gonna try to sneak by her and hopefully she won't see me, because if she sees me, it's game over. She doesn't want me to go in the water without her. So I don't know, I'm gonna do this. I hope there's more people on the beach, but if there's just barely any people, she might see me. But I already texted my au pair saying I'm on my way. Hopefully she can distract her so I can go for a quick swim. Usually I would for sure come by bike, but because it's such high season right now and people are driving insane, I don't want Leela to walk back because it's just too dangerous. People are just sending it in those small streets, and I'd rather not have her walk there, so that's why I came by car. It is so nice. The water looks pretty calm today and very clear, and Leela is sitting right somewhere around there. I hope I get to sneak by, but let's see how it works. Just use my phone because I obviously don't want to show the camera, but she's sitting right there, and I just put the thing on so she doesn't see me, but it looks good. I hope she sees me. Oh!
What I am doing here inside this daydream, this tune of mine. In your eyes, I'm almost televised. It's meant to be this place and time. You're whispering, my heart is flickering. I am awake. You're a keeper. Slow moving, but we keep cruising.
We just had the Emmys dinner, and now we're actually going to go to the thing. And no, I don't know. And so what do? You gotta make friends with people who do. Don't let age define whether to be friends with them. I think they're around 70 years old, so they're pretty older. She loves airplanes, so that's what I'm gonna bring her, because we have a lot of airplanes, and so I'm gonna bring her some airplanes on them. And hopefully she'll be excited, because last time she was super excited. So yeah, always make sure you bring something, especially if you're using other people's stuff. Yeah, let's go.
I was looking for a purpose, found out money, fortune, fame, it just ain't worth it, it's worthless. I took the cash and burnt it, didn't want a reputation of chasing what's on the surface line. The things that I find would never satisfy me in the long time, and all the dreams I dreamt, they will never come alive. I am burning it down. I am burning it down.
I'm gonna take you to my favorite spot. I love the spot. It's so clear, so clear and blue.
The wealth that I need comes from within me. If I look a little closer, then I see it in me.